Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural cold and flu balm with just natural ingredients. This is the first time you're watching this channel. Thanks for watching. Just to let you know you're welcome. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. So stay tuned for this video. So to make this flu balm, you're going to need a couple of ingredients. You're going to need ginger, lemon, lime, and you're going to need some cayenne pepper. You're going to need some honey. You're going to need some honey. Also, some eucalyptus. So here I have some eucalyptus. And also, going to need some garlic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strip the skin off this. And I'm going to use a paring knife just to cut the skin off. So this is good for you for like cold, flu, cough. And if you have flu, I'm going to show you how it's work. Very healthy, very effective. So take the skin off this. You don't have to, but it's not bad. This, you can just wash this and turn it into, blend it, make a ginger tea with it. And here you have the eucalyptus, which we're going to drop in it. So go ahead, take the skin off the garlic. Let's go ahead and chop the ginger up. So what I'm going to do now, just get your blender. And for the, I'm going to squeeze the lime and the lemon together. Make sure you squeeze the lemon and the lime together. Packed with vitamin C. So I'm going to put the garlic in it. Garlic and ginger in. Add some cayenne pepper. Honey. Make sure you get some good quality honey. Then we're going to use some eucalyptus. So that's the eucalyptus in. So So what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to blend it out. So after this is blended out, get yourself a nice jar. You just pour it out in the jar. Then phase 2, I'm going to show you what to do. Get yourself a teapot like this. So I'm going to put a tea bag inside here. So this, I'm using a jasmine tea with this. Make sure you put one of that in. Then after that, you take about 2 teaspoons. So 2 of that. You don't need more than that. And then you're going to pour some hot boiling water over it. Then you cover it and let it sit a couple of minutes. So now the tea is ready. Just get your cup, pour it in. So now your tea is ready. So get ready to consume it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe. When drinking this tea, drink it first thing in the morning, at bedtime, and at midday.